Because remember now, it's supposed to be spooky. See how spooky that look? Oh Lord, I'm scared. Okay, homeboy, we can get a little bit of dry ice in the bottom there, right? Because it's Halloween, homeboy, it's Halloween. You hear that rattling? That's the ice as it sublimates. It's like evaporating or something. I get in some more little pieces of dry ice right here. Then we grab ourselves a spider. I know a lot of you are afraid of spiders. I'm a real man. Real men do not fear spiders. Except when they big and black, like this one. Like if I see this shit, I'm moving out. Then I get a little tiny one like so, right? And I stick him down in the side like that. Now I come in with a little bit more ice. Okay guys, this should be super cool once I start pouring this. Okay, let's see. So let us begin with the finest of rums. Our regular rum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that rum, oh boy. That's good stuff. Devil's brew is the devil. Now you come behind that with some coconut rum, a little bit of Malibu, okay? It's a tropical hell, all right? A tropical hell. Now we need a little bit of green. We're coming in with a little bit of melon liqueur. Because remember now, it's supposed to be spooky. See how spooky that look? Oh Lord, I'm scared. Lordy, I'm scared. Now coming behind that, I got Smirnoff Ice green apple, okay? Because who don't like an apple during Halloween, okay? Keep the ghosts away. An apple a day, keep the ghosts away. Now this drink ain't really got no mixer in it. We need a little mixer. So I can hit it with a little bit of pineapple juice. Just to act as a little mix on top there. This one's fun, man, this one's fun. It's the Halloween trick or treat fishbowl. So this part is the trick. Now let's get to the treat. So you need them to hang out like so. Okay? Let's get some of these gummies on top. Let's get some of these Skittles on top. Candy corn is sacred to me because I grew up on candy corn. Whenever you needed me to keep quiet about something, give me a little candy. And there you have it. Trick or treat. All right, delicious, fun, easy to make. The trick down here, the treat up top. Here's a fun one. And like I said, use a straw because you don't want to put dry ice in your mouth. Okay, because it's super, super freaking cold. Okay? Let me hit this. It's deliciously toxic. Okay. Beautiful, fun, easy to make. Have fun with dry ice. Stay tipsy. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly. Later.